Welcome to our review of the TORRAS magnetic kickstand case. This case is designed for ultimate protection and convenience, featuring powerful magnetism and compatibility with all MagSafe accessories. Our case features unmatched military-grade protection, past 16-foot mil-grade shockproof certification, and over 8,000 plus drop tests. The X-Shock airbags, 3-ply bumper, and camera protection keep your phone safe from drops, scratches, and bumps. The hidden camera stand doubles as an adjustable kickstand, allowing for hands-free use and enhanced lens protection. Open for viewing and closed for protection, all while maintaining your phone's sleek design. Enjoy seamless integration of MagSafe and stand functions, allowing you to charge and watch content simultaneously without interference. Experience a flawless and stable experience with the TORRAS magnetic kickstand case. The crystal clear transparency showcases your phone's design, while the skin-feeling oil provides a smooth touch. The polycarbonate back ensures scratch and fingerprint resistance, and the TPU plus TPE sides offer a secure grip to prevent drops. With TORRAS, you get 18-month hassle-free replacement and lifetime support. We're committed to giving you the best experience and quick support whenever you need it. Get your TORRAS magnetic kickstand case today and experience the perfect blend of protection and convenience. With its advanced features and durable design, this case is perfect for anyone looking to protect their iPhone 15 Pro. Whether you're looking for protection, convenience, or style, the TORRAS magnetic kickstand case has got you covered. Order now and experience the difference for yourself. TORRAS magnetic kickstand case, the perfect accessory for your iPhone 15 Pro. Get yours today and enjoy the ultimate protection and convenience.